running far away. Would I run off the world someday? Nobody knows, nobody knows. And I was dancing in the rain, I felt alive and I can't complain. But no, take me home where I belong. Me gone, and I was running far away. Would I run off the world someday? Nobody knows, nobody knows. And I was dancing in the rain, I felt alive and I can't complain. But no, take me home where I belong.
Dallamuni is a beautiful natural place located about 21 kilometers away from the Kego. It is very peaceful and relaxing place. You can come here by Maharangal to Kegol bus or your own vehicle. The journey to this place is also really nice. The road is a bit difficult, but you can see mountains, waterfalls and beautiful natural all around. When you come closer, you can see a quiet forest with the tall pine tree.
From here we have about 15 meters more to go. As we walk you can see a beautiful area filled with tall pine tree. The place feels very calm and peaceful. On the way there is also a small temple where Tamil people come to worship. It adds a special culture feel into this space. Also on both sides of the road you can see many tea plantation. The green view is very relaxing and beautiful.
Okay, now we are going closer to the place. From here we only have 15 meters more. So come with me.
When you travel along the Kekol-Bulatko-Pitiya road, after a short destination, you need to turn into a narrow road to begin in this beautiful journey. From there, the path is surrounded by green trees, making the whole journey feel calm and refreshing. However, it's important to be a little careful, especially in the evening, as this area can be slightly unsafe. Also, when working along this small footpath, you should stay alert because there is chance of seeing snake in this area. So enjoy the beauty but always stay safe.
Every difficult journey has a beautiful ending. When you see this place, you will really understand that.
Gallamuna, the Stone Pool. This wonderful creation of the nature, made up of the three natural pools, surely capture the heart of everyone who visits. Gallamuna has become a popular destination not only among local villagers but also among travelers from other areas. According to the local story, King Valagamba had to hide in different parts of the country during the South Indian invasion. During that time, he stayed in the remote and safe place while planning to regain in his kingdom. Villagers believe that he and Queen Anula live in a rock cave in this area for protection. It is also said that they used this place for bathing during that period. Even though this place does not have a very long or well recorded history, it is still considered historically important because of this story. This is not only a beautiful place but also very useful for the village. The water is collected and used to supply many paddy fields nearby, helping farmers with their cultivation. In the past, people built a small dam using stones to control and store the water. Because of this, the place was named Kallamuna, which means stone dam. Today, even though it is still important for farming, it has become more popular as a natural bathing place. Many visitors come here to enjoy the fresh water and relax in this peaceful environment. This water source beginning from a small natural spring. As it flows down, it forms clear and cool pools. During the raining season, the water level rises and flows like a beautiful waterfalls. The sky filled with soft drifting cloud make Kallamuna even more beautiful. Stretching across more than 5 acres, this place offers a unique and refreshing experience where every step feels like a new little adventure. The wide open area filled with the large rocks looks even more beautiful in the evening, especially when the sun slowly sets. The golden light falls on the rocks and creates the calm and magical view. The sky slowly changed its color, making the whole place look like a beautiful painting.
Let us protect